Hey friends, welcome to another review and installation. I'm checking out these outdoor solar post cap lights. This is a box of 12. They come with installation screws if you want to do it that way. These are 4x4. There's 12 of these guys in this little box. Basically, we have the solar panel with the IP65 rating, so it's waterproof on top. That comes off, just turns it. And in here we have our white lights or other ones. So we have the switch here, which is off in the middle, and then WW on one side and CW on there. So for different light aspects. So we can change that to CW. And then if we put, it has darkness sensors on there. So when it's dark, those will come on. Switch to the other ones, and it's going to be the more yellow lighting there. So whichever one you prefer. I did the white lighting on my outside lights, and then these just go back on there gently. We have this base here. Pull this off. So this goes down on there. If you have like a regular 4x4, isn't actually a 4x4, so you might need to put this on there and then this on top, and then we have our little screw holes right here in the side. Very cool, easy to install. I put these on my brick pillars outside, or put them on there, and I'm just going to use a little bit of construction adhesive. Put a couple strips on there and just stick it on top, and it shouldn't have any issues with having to screw these in or anything else like that. So let's go do that and check it out, see how it looks, and show you like the difference between like the nighttime or whatever. One thing I will say is that my the tops of my brick columns are probably 16 by 16. So this on top is not going to be like a regular post, which is going to be right on top there and cast some more light. But this is going to look pretty cool, I think. And yeah, I think these look nice to have. There's a little glass thing around the edges, and they're kind of like, you can see the glass there. It's kind of like a, almost like a stained glass look, as far as like it's different. It's like kind of warped glass, so it should cast a nice little shadow there. So, or a nice light on there that's looks pretty. Anyways, let's go check it out, shall we? This specific application, and also if you were going to put it on a post, no problem at all. I think it turned out really nice, especially at the nighttime. It just really, before our pillars, I didn't have any lights on here. It was kind of dark out. These you can see make a beautiful, cast a nice, beautiful display of light there. It makes the pillars easier to see too if I'm backing out. Also helps illuminate the driveway on the sidewalk a little bit. So I thought it turned out really nice. The simplicity of working with these, they're just super easy to turn on and off. And with the amount of light they get, they seem to last all night long. So I was really impressed with that. I like that they're waterproof. They're plastic too, so they're not going to rust. I live kind of on the coast. Thanks for watching this review, my friends. Have a great day.